we are covering the Commercial General Liability Policy, or CGL, a critical topic on your property and casualty exam. The CGL policy protects a business from liability for bodily injury and property damage to third parties. It is broken down into three main coverage sections you absolutely must know. Coverage A, B, and C. Coverage A is for bodily injury and property damage liability. This is the heart of the policy. For example, if a customer slips on a wet floor in a store and breaks their arm, that's a bodily injury claim under Coverage A. If a contractor accidentally damages a client's expensive server while working at their office, that is a property damage claim under Coverage A. The key exam takeaway is that this coverage responds when the insured business is legally liable for causing physical harm to someone else or damage to their property. Next is Coverage B, which is for personal and advertising injury. This covers non-physical injuries. Think of things like libel, slander, copyright infringement in an advertisement, or wrongful eviction. For the exam, you will be given a scenario and must choose the correct coverage. A question might describe a business running an ad that uses a competitor's slogan. The resulting lawsuit would be a Coverage B claim, not Coverage A, because it doesn't involve bodily injury or property damage. Then we have Coverage C, medical payments. This provides for medical expenses for people injured on the insured's premises or because of their business operations, regardless of fault. For example, if a customer lightly trips on a rug, skins their knee, and needs a few stitches, Coverage C can pay for it quickly to create goodwill and avoid a larger lawsuit. The exam loves to test the no-fault aspect of this coverage. Remember, it has low limits and does not apply to the insured or their employees, as employee injuries fall under workers' compensation. A crucial concept tested is the policy trigger, specifically for an occurrence-based policy. An occurrence policy covers a loss that happens during the policy period, no matter when the claim is filed. So, if an injury occurs in 2024, but the claim isn't filed until 2026, the policy that was in effect in 2024 is the one that responds. This is a frequent point of confusion and a common exam trap. Here's a mental shortcut for the coverages. Think ABC for action, brand, and care. A for action, which causes bodily injury or property damage. B for brand, protecting against harm to a brand or reputation through personal and advertising injury. And C for care, providing no-fault medical payments for immediate care. The exam will try to trick you by mixing these scenarios. A question might describe an employee getting hurt on the job. Remember, that's always a workers' compensation issue, not CGL. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.